click on here. Just press F11. Okay, just press F11. You will get the things like that. Just click on here and just press F11. Right here we have some features. The company feature will come, and you need to just move on accounting feature. When you move on accounting feature, you will get the accounting feature property here. Here we have to activate which option, that is enable multi-currency, right? For example, if you have a national company, then you can use the multi-currency, okay? Because you want to just transact your money in the form of dollar, pound, and whatever the currency, you can make it and you can use it, right? So first, just create it by using enable multi-currency and accept that. Either you can just press enter and go at the end, or you can also use the direct shortcut key to accept this. That is Control A. When you press Control A, it will accept the feature. And after getting this company feature, just move out by using the escape button of your computer. And here we have the master option. As we activated here, the multi-currency will get the activated form of multi-currency in the master accounts info. Just move on here. So see there is currencies available there. At the bottom, you can get the currencies, right? Just press enter and just click on create. There are three options available there, and fourth option is rate of exchange. The first one, that is the create currency. If you want to just create a new currency, you can go through this and just move on display. You can observe the predefined currency by display option, and you can change you can edit the currency detail by using the alter. So here you just click on display. Just see there, by default rupees is formed, right? So we need to just make a new currency. That's why we just move on create and press enter and type the currency symbol. Just see there. Here we use US dollar symbol, US dollar, and press enter and just type here American currency or American currency, America currency, right? It is a formal name. You can just define the full form of the currency and just write some information about the currency's formal name and accept that by using Control A, or just press enter. You will get this accept button and just press enter. It will accept it, right? And here just choose next currency, that is PND. PND stands for pound. That is the England currency. Just type here England currency, right? And accept that by using Control A, and just choose on YEN, that is yen. You know very well, yen is the currency of Japan, right? Japan currency.
Yes, sir.
And similarly accept it, and again just press here yuan. You know very well, yuan is the Chinese currency, right? And it comes
Yes,
under China currency, and accept that. So here we have created 4 or 5 currencies. You can observe that in display. Just see the pound, US dollar, yen, and yuan. And move on, escape out, and you can also change or alter some details of the currency detail. Just click on alter and just choose pound, and you can just edit that particular feature. The next step is we have to decide rate of exchange. How many rupees equal to 1 pound and how many pound equal to 1 rupees, right? So we have to decide here rate of exchange. When you just exchange this particular amount in the foreign currency, you have to decide by using this feature, that is rate of exchange, right? Here we get all the details of the currency, and just move on here. There is 3 columns available here. First one is standard rate, second selling rate, and third one is a buy rate. Okay. So during the selling transaction, you will get it gets the selling rate as we defined here, and a standard rate only used for the contra entry. Okay, contra means the internal transactions of the company. For example, if the company transfers some amount into the bank account and they want to just withdraw, that this rate will be applied. Okay, so here we just type the pound, that is 90 rupees, or just type 96, whatever the number. Here we just assuming here. So this currency detail informed by the company. Okay, then you just enter the basic detail here. So here just type in 99 and just type 98, and similarly do the same for the US, 78 rupees, or just type here 76 rupees, 79 rupees, and then 75 rupees. And similarly, yen, just type here 23 and 28 and 27 or 25. And move on the next one, that is a yuan, just type here 20 rupees and just type 23 and 22. Okay, so here we just entered the information about the selling rate of the particular pound, US dollar, yen, yuan, and as we just made it, then we have to enter here and accept that. And after accepting this, just move on escape button and move on ledger. We need to create some accounts by which we can just transact the amount from one account to another. So there is need of creation of ledger. Just move on here and create the ledger. For example, here we create the three honors. Just think it's honor 1, and it comes under the capital account. You know very well that is the honor account.
Yes, sir.
Control A to accept that, and again honor 2 and accept it. Control A, it comes under the move out and press escape and just let's check. This is the honor account on. Okay, if we have to create another one, that is honor 2, just type honor 2 and press down under the capital and accept that by using control A. Honor 3 under the capital and accept that. Okay, and here just type here hotel expense account. Hotel expense account, it comes under indirect expenses, right? Because its behavior belongs to expenses and it comes under the indirect expenses. And press control A and this telephone expense, and it also comes under the indirect expenses. And press control A to accept that, right? Just move on escape button, and here we have the option by which we can just transact our money under the transaction feature. Just move on accounting voucher. Just open this accounting voucher. After coming out by using the escape button, you will get the gateway of Tally and just press enter here. And firstly, we need to just receive some money from the capital or honors account. Just press F6 button for the receipt voucher and press space and just choose the cash account where we want to just store some money. So just need to type here honor 1. He is investing in money in the form of pound. Just type P, the initial letter of your currency, it will automatically takes the currency detail. Just click on 2500P, it will takes the pound. Just see there, 99 rupees per pound, right? And it will automatically convert the pound into rupees. Just see there, here we get the currency in the form of rupees, but we entered here in the form of pound, right? And accept it. Similarly, we need to just again just take the another amount by the second order. Just type here 9,000 U. U stands for US dollar. Just write the initial letter, you will get the initial letter, and it will automatically takes the currency like this. It will take the currency in US dollar 979 rupees per dollar, right? And it will convert it into, it is converted to which option? In the form of rupees, right? So we don't need to just manually calculate the currency's detail. It will automatically takes the rate according to our entered value and accept that. Similarly, we just move on the next currency. In this place here, honor 3, and just type here 7,500. If the two currencies have letters will be similar, then we need to just type two initial letter. Okay, just like this U, YU, that is for yuan, not for yen, right? If we type only Y like this, is 2,500 and just type Y, it will take what? Yen. Why? Because the Y initial letter is yen, and if you want to just enter the second letter, because E is before than the U, that's why it comes first, right? So we need to just mention the minimum 2 letters for the other currency. Just see there, here we just accept the money in the form of yen. And just last transaction, that is for the honor 3, again investing here 20,000 yuan and accept that, right? Press control A to accept that. And after that, just move on balance sheet. Just see there, you can just check the balance sheet. Here we transact in the form of dollar, pound, and US dollar, but all the detail in our balance sheet in the form of rupees. Just see there, 40,88,500. Similarly, we get here the balance sheet, a 14,80,000 88,500, right? So here we have the liability and here we have the assets. Understood? And if we pay some
Yes,
amount,
sir.
when we press F5, and if we want to just pay the amount for the hotel expenses, press a space and just choose the account where you want to just pay this amount, from where you want to just pay this amount. Just choose the cash account and choose the hotel expense here. And again, if you want to just pay the amount in the form of dollar, you need to just type some amount like this and just type P, and P stands for pound. It will automatically takes the currency deal and just press accept. Your bill amount is 5,000 pound, but it automatically converted into rupees, that is 4,90,000, right? And press Control plus A. So by this option, we can use the different currencies in our company, and all the currencies converted into rupees automatically if we use the multi-currency option of this tally feature, right? Understood? So that is the
Yeah.
benefit of which option? Multi-currency. You can move here, profit and loss, just see there. Here we have a loss because we just pay here only the bill, not getting an income. That's why it is showing the net loss 4,90,000. Understood? And just move on here, balance sheet, you will get it like this. So that is all about of the today's class. Just revise this and you learn how we use multi-currency. Understood, Dale?
Yes, sir.